What's up everybody, this is Mari from Mari's Review Channel. Today I'm back with another video. Today I will be reviewing the Nest Home Hub by Google. Stay tuned. Okay, so let's go ahead and unbox this Google Home Hub. As you can see, this is a very nice smart display. Right here on the back it says help at a glance, connect your day, plan your favorite songs. And it's got different stuff. You've got Google Calendar, Google Maps, Nest, YouTube Music, Spotify, Google Photos, and Google Assistant. So let's just go ahead and open this up and take it out of the packaging. All right, this is a little challenging to get it in open. And first off, you'll see the tablet. We're going to go ahead and put this aside so I can show you all the accessories inside this box. So I'm just going to go ahead and remove the cardboard. And you can see that it says, "Let's get started" by Google. This is your user manual. This will tell you how to set it up and what it will do. And then right here you have your power plug. This is a standard 110. It does have a fairly long cable wire. As you can see, I'd say it's about a 6-foot cable wire. And then here's the user manual. And this is all that's in the box. So now we're going to make our way to the tablet itself. This is a 7-inch. Right here at the bottom is the speaker. You have your microphone on and off. Right here is your power port plug. And on the right hand side, you actually have your volume up and down rockers. So we're just going to go ahead and plug this in so you can see how nice this tablet looks.
Welcome to Google Home. To get started, download the Google Home app on a phone or tablet.
Welcome to your Google Nest Hub. It has the Google Assistant built in,
Hi, how can I help?
so you can use your voice to get help at a glance. Check it out. Jumpstart your day with a personalized routine. Just say, "Hey Google, good morning." For the weather, your calendar, reminders, and more.
Your commute to work is 20 minutes by car.
Simply tap to see your home screen, where you can get useful info about your day, check out videos and recipes, and explore all the things your assistant can do. Have a question? Just ask for help from Google or YouTube. "Hey Google, show me how to cut a pineapple."
Okay, playing on YouTube.
Now you can see and control all of your devices from a single dashboard. Just swipe down from the top of the screen for Home View, where you can see the status of your home, view devices in each room, and adjust the lights, turn off the TV, and monitor cameras, like the Nest Hello Video doorbell. "Hey Google, show me the front door." Unwind in the evening with your favorite songs and videos from YouTube Music. "Hey Google, play Dua Lipa." Swipe up from the bottom of the screen to adjust volume or brightness, or use the volume buttons behind the right side of the display. To turn off the mics, simply slide the mic mute switch. And with live albums from Google Photos, Hub will automatically display your best and latest photos of loved ones. Setup is simple in the Google Home app. What's this? It's Hub's light sensor. It allows Hub to automatically match the colors and lighting in any room, so photos on Hub blend in with your home. And when it's time for bed, Hub knows to dim for a good night's sleep. Remember, if you ever want to learn more, just say, "Hey Google, what can you do?" Ready to give Hub a try? Swipe from the left edge of the screen to exit and get started.
Hi there. Now that you're set up, I'd like to show you a few more things you can do with your Google Nest Hub. First, swipe down from the top of the screen. This is where you can find and control devices in your smart home. Any smart home devices you add to the Google Home app will show up here. You can come back later to explore. Now swipe up to close your home view. Next, I'll show you where to find settings. Swipe up for This is where you can find some of the controls for your hub, like screen brightness, volume, and a few other things. To hide these controls, tap anywhere on the screen. Now that we've talked about swiping, let's look at some things you can see on your screen. To check out your day, tap anywhere on the screen. Throughout the day, I'll have new things here for you. Anything from what's on your calendar to top hits on YouTube. To see more of what I have for you, scroll right. Great job! That's all I have for now, so I'll let you have some fun and explore on your own. Just as a final tip, if you want to learn more, you can always ask me, what can you do? Bye for now. You can say, pause timer, or set a timer.
Hey Google, open up YouTube.
Sure, here's YouTube.
So if you're interested in this Google Home Nest Hub, I will link all the details in the description. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and go ahead and hit that post notification so you get notified every time I upload a new product review. Also check me out at moddiesreviewchannel.com. Thanks for watching.